Welcome to Video A on proportional relationships. You can take notes in your spiral notebook, but this is just a review of what it means to be a proportional relationship. And specifically, we're going to mention the constant of proportionality, also known as the K value or the K rate. Let's take a look at the text that's been provided to you. A proportion states that two ratios are equivalent. In a proportional relationship, when one quantity increases, the other also increases. The ratio of the two quantities remains constant. This constant ratio is called the constant of proportionality, known as the K rate or the K value. Here's a few tricks for you to recognize if a relationship is proportional. You can use, let's read together here, you can use a table of values, a graph, or equations to determine if the relationship is directly proportional. We can test pairs of values in the table to see if they are equivalent ratios. That's called the table test. And if we get a graph pairs of values to see if they form a straight line that passes through the origin. And of course, the origin is 0, 0. Finally, test pairs of values to see if they relate by the equation y equals k times x. Or we could rewrite it k times x equals y. If the above are true, the quantities are in a directly proportional relationship. Let's see what that actually looks like in video B.